Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, jewelry commercial shot. 4x5 reversal film. I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And these two images. This is my subject and let's get started. Alright, I'm gonna change blend mode to check it out. What kind of color is gonna show up? Well, that's nice. Overlay is pretty good too, huh? Vivid. This is interesting too. Well, as a base image, I like this color, saddle tone, and also I'm interested in hard mix these stones. Pretty interesting as an illustration. Vivid, hard mix. This kind of expression of the stones, that's different, not real. That's what I'm interested in. Color dodge. This is one way. Some kind of illustration of the stones. Yeah, maybe hard mix. Vivid. Well, hard mix. Alright, I wanna try this kind of illustration type image, not real color. Well, let me try it. Okay, select multiple, then duplicate layers. Now merge selected to get this image fixed. One layer now, then turn it off to keep it just now. Then let me see, let me change this hard mix blend mode to luminosity. This is nice, saddle colors. So again, select multiple, then duplicate layers and merge selected. Now we got this image as a one base. Now I'm going to duplicate another one more layer, then change blend mode to multiply to get dark colors. Yeah, use this multiply. Okay, now merge down. Now we got two images. This is more luminosity effect layers. I'm going to change these names. Alright, changed all the names. Original, pencil drawing type, image, then luminosity, effect layer, then hard mix, effect layer. Alright, now I wanna use these stones colors, pretty interesting illustration colors. So I'm gonna just turn it off now, and I want to use this luminosity effect layer as a base. So just leave it this, and I just want to see the color of this hard mix effect layer. So I'm gonna create empty mask. Now invert mask. Then reveal these stones. Okay, use dry media to how about rough pencil. Reveal this. Very interesting. It's not real. Well, let's see. Yeah, I kind of like it. Pretty interesting. Oh, there is a pencil drawing type image. It's normal blend mode. Okay, I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image and go up, all the way up. Then turn it off right now. Go back to this luminosity effect layer as a base now. Change to, there was this normal blend mode. You see, change tone, opacity. This looks kind of interesting too, huh? Original image opacity is 50. Well, let's see. Multiply color burn. So much color goes deep. Dark, huh? That's pretty interesting. Linear burn goes much more. More like illustration, huh? Light image. Kinda light color. So gentle feeling. Overlay, this is interesting. Yeah, pretty harsh. Oh wow, vivid. Okay, let's see. Luminous pin light. This is very interesting to me. Kind of reddish color. Now fix this as a one base image instead of this luminosity effect layer. I add the stone's color already. Okay, select multiple. This is pin light effect, right? Okay, now 1, 2, 3. 3 images gets this image, so I'm gonna duplicate layers. Now merge selected to get one layer. Alright, this one is the hot mix effect layer with pin light effect on original image. That's really complicated. Okay, what can I name this? New base, huh? New base image. Okay, just make it pin light and the hot mix effect layer, new one. Okay, now I'm going to turn this others. This is hard mix effect layer, turn it off. Then this one is luminosity effect layer, turn it off. Just want to keep these two, so I'm gonna bring this original image, go up to over this new base one, base image, this image now. Then okay, now I would just want to see this toned down about 50%. It's so subtle, kind of general color overview. Then turn it on this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to maybe color burns, pretty nice. Kind of pastel image, huh? Okay, let's see. I'm gonna move this empty layer all the way top. Then I'm gonna fill in this layer with 100% white on this now pixel layer. Okay, create empty mask. Now how am I show this? Yeah, let me see. Pastel square. Okay, this is the base image. This is the original image, original 50%. But if I hide this, it's gonna show much sharp, right? So I'm gonna make mask. I'm gonna completely hide this image to show this sharp image around the stones. So I'm going to turn on this image, original image, 50% opacity, create empty mask. Now I'm going to hide with, well, same pastel square brush. More light sharp. Okay, almost done. I think this is pretty good. Yeah, how's this? Pretty interesting, isn't it? Well, I think that's it. Okay, let's see about this image. These two, I'm just turn it off to keep this. This is the original image. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. These each layers. Now this is base image. This is I made by, well, it's a little bit complicated. First of all I made luminosity effect on pencil drawing type image over original image to get luminosity effect layer, then change to pin light effect. Then I add stones, got this image illustrated color, saturated color from hard mix image to combine together to get this the base image, which is pin light effect and hard light mix double on original image to get this image. Then I got this image. This one is 50% opacity over this base image, this image. Overall, this is 50% opacity with mask, illustrated color image. So I just masked it at this base image. Then I add pencil drawing type image, change blend mode to color burn, only 30% to turn on to get a little bit dark image. On rings to get a little bit deep gold color. Okay, about this much. Then last one. This is the white layer with mask. Turn it on, just white layer, but I made mask to show up this much. This is it. This one is add white border, right? Okay. Well, to get this last image for today, pretty interesting. From real shot, original shot. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this a little bit complicated image making. I hope this movie is going to help or some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Thank you.